We set off from Kibmberle on our way to Kidderminster, travelling both above and below ground, not just once but twice. We find a cave to explore at a lock and also struggle to social distance as the canals become increasingly busy. In the last episode we passed through Staffordshire Junction, almost lost our chimney and saw a famous boat on the canals. The day ended with an accident when we moored up.
So hello guys, everybody, how are you all today? We're going to kick it off straight today. We're going through the Kibmberle Lock, which is the one right by the Vine pub. Anyone who's been through Kibmberle will know of that pub. But yeah, we stayed here last night. Georgia had a bit of a accident last night with getting into the boat, so she trapped her hand in the hatch, and wasn't a good night, was it? It kind of swelled up a little bit. Yeah, we're just gonna crack on now. I think we're gonna try and get to Kidderminster today. We are out of gas and that's what we need to do. Georgia with her one arm. It's what they call woman power. Going down. Absolutely beautiful day today for driving. Usually we end up with rain, but I'm pretty happy that we do not have any rain today. Absolutely magnificent out here today. So magnificent, I'm happy. Note to self, don't put that in the vlog. There's a lock not far now. That'll be our second lock of the day. Our tomato plant, or tomato plant, whatever people want to call it. The tomato plant, that just fitted under this bridge. Oh shit. Damn, oh damn. So beautiful, this area. Kibmberle is absolutely beautiful. If you ever want to go for a nice walk somewhere, Kibmberle is the place. No, I don't know if it's just me, but I'm a little bit weird like this, but I absolutely love going past the trees and watching the shadows go across them. I don't know, I like that. I guess it's just the little things in life. So we're kind of lucky as we get to the second lock of the day. Somebody's actually coming out. So what I'm going to do is remember where I put my windlass. Where's the windlass? Where's the windlass? Perfect timing. Right by the sill, you will see that there are these rings. There's one here. Can any of you guess what they're for? Drop down. This is Whittington Lock, and what a beautiful lock this is. One of my favourites on the canal so far.
So we were just coming out of that last lock there. Dan had just shut the doors and was on his way back to the boat when we saw another boat approaching. So we thought, you know what, it's a nice day, and the easiest thing for all of us is to probably just run back up, open the doors, and then they can just cruise straight on in. So
me being the He-Man I am, of course. Into like a, I guess it's like a geese zoo without the caging.
bird reserve.
A bird reserve. That's what I'm. Bloody geese zoo. What am I saying? Loads of them. It's now really starting to get really hot out here now. Like I can actually feel the sun just burning on my t-shirt. My t-shirt's so hot it's burning my back. I hope you can hear me anyway.
Sheep!
Yeah, my bad luck. I complained about the sun being too hot and now it's gone really, really chilly. My fault. Hopefully the sun will come back out. So yeah, I don't actually think we're that far away from Kidderminster now. Gonna go up there and get the gas and then see what the day brings.
Not only have we seen a famous boat vlogger on this canal, but we've also passed two of our friends who I don't think we're in, but hopefully we will see them next time.
Possibly might see them on the way down.
Or maybe even down here if they've gone for a walk. I'm sure we'll catch up with them at some point.
Thank you, buddy.
Yabba dabba doo!
Yabba dabba doo. So, this is an abandoned house, or I should say was. This sign says that very clearly. So, whoever's breaking in there, you should probably stop.
We're approaching Cookley Tunnel now. It's 65 yards long and is carved out of sandstone.
We're going to see a lot of red sandstone. So, Georgia hasn't actually been to Kibmberle before, like me, or gone through it. But I remember this lock because this is one of my favourite locks. There's a little like a cave. So, as Georgia hasn't been in now, I'll let Georgia show you.
The first thing I noticed about the cave is that it was carved out of the red sandstone that we saw earlier.
This new red sandstone is different to the old red sandstone which you can find on buildings in Herefordshire.
So this is a cave that I think they used to use back when horses pulled canal boats, and they'd moor up somewhere around here, I assume, and they would bring the horses in here, kind of like a stables, and probably the horses would be in this end.
That's all that done.
I made Dan slow down so we could have a look at this unusual formation of lily pads.
A frog I found would have loved this. As we were pulling up to this pub, there was a lot of people around, and as you can look to the left, then you will see that there was a pub that is packed, but also on the right, just as I was jumping off there, lots of people started gathering up behind and just on the side at the front, as you can see.
Although it's really nice to see businesses opening back up and doing well, and also good to see the canals a lot busier these days, we were a bit concerned about social distancing at this lock in particular.
So very luckily, some people are already coming up. They said they'll do the lock first, so we're going down. So that's pushing us to the side a little bit. Always a motorbike that's gonna ruin my shot.
Swim without a swing is like a canal without any water. Useless.
So we have now finally arrived in Kidderminster.
Thank you for watching, we really hope you enjoyed.
Drop a thumbs up if you like this, and leave us a comment, we'd love to hear from you.